Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add magazine cover on a VivaVideo apps. Now let's get started. First, open your VivaVideo apps, and after this you can add the video that you want to edit. And now if you wanna add magazine cover on a VivaVideo app, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the All Effect at the bottom, and then in here you just click on the style, click on it, and in here you can swipe until you can see a model, this one. So you just click on it, and in here you can see two magazine cover. You can choose the magazine cover that you want, maybe this one and this one. And after this you can click down in here and finish. So that's how to add a magazine cover on a VivaVideo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.